How to remove the Citroen Berlingo Peugeot Partner front wiper motor. It might look a bit strange to you because I've removed the engine and some other components. In order to remove the front wiper motor, we'll be removing the wiper arms. They might have covers on top of them that you need to remove. These 16mm bolts. Make sure you mark or know which side these wiper arms go. You can also spray some lubricant such as WD-40. And then you want to just wriggle these so they can come out. They can get stuck, so be patient, don't be too rough, and just gently wriggle them out. To the center of the cowl trim, there's a torque screw. And then on the sides, on either side, there'll be two 10mm bolts. And then the clips to the front, they come off quite easily. With a clip remover, you can just see it's just pulling the cowl upwards. And then once all the clips are all detached, you can just pull it off completely. And then for the wiper motor itself, there are 10mm bolts that you'll need to remove. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also show your support by sending a super thanks by clicking on the button underneath the video. Any amount, even a bare minimum, is greatly appreciated. Now for the other bolts on the other side of the wiper motor, it might be a bit more difficult to access, but with a 10mm spanner, you can remove the bolt. To show you, I've removed the cover, but this is a bolt over here. You do not have to remove the cover. And that's just reeling the wiper motor out of place. And then we will need to unplug the wiper motor by pulling up this locking clip here. And I'd recommend buying the wiper motor if you're buying secondhand with the linkages, which are these metal rods. It's just easier to fit. If you buy just the wiper motor on its own, you'll need to swap it over, that sort of thing. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.